Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome to V Tutorials, welcome to my honorable channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a website that you can earn money from the comfort of your bedroom. All you need to do is just sit from the comfort of your home, watch videos, listen to music and earn points. And out of these points, you can convert these very points to US dollars. You can only get a payout through a PayPal account. Though if you do not have a PayPal account, don't worry. I will show in the nearest time how to create a PayPal account from Nigeria. So if you have your smartphone, we are going to do this from our smartphone. You don't need a computer, you don't need any other thing. So you quickly navigate to your browser. I recommend Chrome. So you go to Chrome and go to your Google and type current.com. So you type current.com and you scroll, come to this place. You see, play music and get paid. Current rewards enable people to earn additional passive income via their daily habits. Okay, you click here. Now you can see boldly how it is. This is the website. It's written boldly here. I want to earn reward while I am working. Okay, all right. So if it brings you to this platform, what you can just do is just download the app. Are you using an Apple phone? This is yours. And if you are using an Android phone, this is yours. You quickly click here and go to your Play Store and you download. You go to your Play Store and download. After downloading the app, it will show you and perform your registration. It will show you something of this nature. And don't forget, always put your screen on a desktop view like this. Scroll down and click this desktop site so that everything can be displayed. Okay, having done all that, having downloaded the application, this is the application. You can go ahead and open it. So you watch patiently for it to display. I really want to share this with you because I want you people to enjoy what I'm enjoying. So you see what is showing here. You play music, you get 0.1 per minute, like 0.1 point per minute. So after registering on this, you go to these settings. You see your details. Now this is my detail. This is my user ID. I joined today. This is my email and many more. So having joined this, you see this is what called The Baby by Savage. If you want to play any music here, what you can quickly just do is just choose from where you want to see it. Is it R&B? Is it pop music? So you can just play. So now you watch quickly what is going to display.
Mommy, I know you got issues. You got a man, but you need to understand that you got something with you. This is fat, frame is little. Tattoo in your chest with his name in the middle. I'm not a hater, I'm just crushed.
So I'll play a new music to activate my earning. So
I was trying to get it high.
Music earning is active.
I want them dead presidents. I want them pull up, head spin, get it fly. I got 6 jobs, I don't get tired. I don't get tired.
Okay, that is enough. If you want to record it, if you want to save the station, whatever it is you want to do, but those ones are not that important. So you see this one, any music here that you want to play, you can play and earn money. So if you want to redeem your earning, you click here, you see redeem. You can redeem your earning through a PayPal. What's my total earning? You can see my total earning currently here, 32.93. This is my total earning, and these are some of the tasks I had completed. These are some of the tasks I had completed. You see completed, see completed, you see completed. These are some of the tasks I had completed. And if you want to show or you want to share your referral link to a friend, you want to invite someone to join, you can just check here, invite, share your referral link, or you can copy it and paste it anywhere you wish. One of the most joyful thing in this place is that if you share your referral link, you get $250. If you invite like good 10 people, you get $250. Earn up to $25 in points per a friend. So any friend you refer here, you earn $25. Right? If you want to do that, you can quickly share this and it will link you to any of those social media you want to share with. And if you want to copy the link and just paste it on someone's social media for them to copy, you can quickly do that. So it is very, very simple. You can do this from anywhere inside the vehicle, anywhere at all. Wherever you are, all you need is your smartphone and a network connections. So this is very simple. This is very, very simple. You can do this from anywhere and earn some cent passive income from the comfort of your bedroom. So thanks for watching. In this very platform, I will be sharing a lot more of things that will benefit you, things that will enable you to earn a passive income in this 2022. So please, if you enjoy this my little class, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, it will get you ASAP. So thanks for watching. Bye.